This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and in today's video I wanted to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint recognition option. So launch your settings, go into the passwords and security category, tap at the fingerprint unlock square, then choose what backup screen lock method you would like to go alongside the fingerprint. I'll go with pattern. Then set the password that you will use. And now we can start enrolling the fingerprint by laying and lifting our finger onto the sensor that is located right at the side power key. So just gradually scan your fingerprint until it will be entirely scanned and read. Alrighty, my fingerprint was successfully enrolled. Now I can start using it to unlock the screen. As you can see, it does its job just fine. And moving onwards, the next option for today you can find at the display category of settings. It is called the reading mode, and once activated, as you can see, it tints the screen amber, makes the display colors way warmer, which reduces eye fatigue. And well, over here you can adjust the intensity of this effect and perhaps set some automatic schedule for this mode to be enabled and disabled respectively. The next option is a quite a useful feature related to the sound on this device. So let's imagine a situation when you are the speakers do not play the music the way they used to. Either the quality is worse or they are much quieter than you expect them to be. Perhaps some water managed to fill those speakers. So for any issue that you might face in terms of speakers being polluted by something or whatever is that, you can actually clear them by using this option. It is located at the additional settings category. It is called the clear speaker, and once you turn on the switch, the system will play a very loud and annoying noise for 30 seconds, a very specific noise that will help your speakers to clear themselves. So let's see. And just like so, you can run this sound for precisely 30 seconds or so, and your speakers will be cleared of all the trash and extra stuff that is not supposed to be there to its best ability. Alrighty, the next option for today, that's a very small tip. You can access it through going into the notifications and control center category of settings, then open the status bar page. And in here, as you can see right now, my battery percentage is not shown. And if I would like to place the battery percentage right next to the battery icon or inside the battery icon perhaps, just tap over here and choose the display that you like better. Alrighty, moving on to our fifth and final feature that you can access through going into additional settings category once again. It is called the memory extension. And this toggle allows you to add additional 1 GB of virtual random access memory by occupying the storage. And well, in my case, this option is already enabled because my switch is blue. So if your is gray, you can enable it by tapping at the switch and rebooting the device. And after that, the additional random access memory will be successfully added to your system. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.